Hi friends, welcome in Smita's kitchen. Today we are going to make stuffed chillas, or you can call stuffed pancakes, which is stuffed with fresh veggies and paneer and cheese. So let's give it a try. Let's go with the ingredient first. Okay, so here I have two sets of ingredient. One set here is for the batter and the other one is for the stuffing. Let me go over with this. I have about 1 cup of chickpea flour, or you can say gram flour, 3/4 cup of yogurt, salt per taste, and carom seeds, or you can, in Indian language we can call ajwain. I have a turmeric powder, coriander powder, and the chili powder I'm going to use. This is Indian spice box, as you know, and some water to make the batter. For the stuffing, we are going to use some oil. I have a grated carrots, grated caps, like a finely chopped capsicum, bell pepper, green bell pepper. Also finely chopped some red onion. You can use yellow onion or white. Here I have some grated cheese. It's a Indian cheese, Amul cheese. The paneer, which is grated, ginger paste, green chili, and I have some dry chaat masala which goes on the top. Some fresh coriander and oil to make the crepe. Okay, first I'm going to make the batter. So I'm taking here 1 cup of chickpea flour. In that I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, about 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon carom seeds, 1 teaspoon salt, 3/4 cup of yogurt. I'm going to mix it together and then I'll see how much water do I need. So first I'm putting about half a cup of water. I like to use the whisk when I'm making the batter, that way you don't have any lumps in the batter. So it's still a little thick. I'm going to add the rest of the water. You don't want this too thick or too thin. And we'll leave it for about 10 minutes so all the ingredient gets mixed up. And let's see how we can make the stuffing now. Okay, so here I have taken a non-stick pan for the stuffing. I have it about medium, little bit on a higher side. I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of oil in here. In the oil I'm going to add some green chili, about teaspoon, and about teaspoon of ginger paste. And in this one I'm adding about 1 cup of onion, chopped onion. This is we're going to cook the onion for about a couple of minutes till it becomes little. You don't need to cook too much because we are going to stuff and cook it again. So just to take the raw smell out of the onion and ginger, I'm going to saute it for a few minutes. So then I'm going to add some chopped capsicum. It's about 1 cup chopped, and some grated carrots, about a cup. I'm going to add some salt to taste just for the stuffing. We already have some in the batter, so you don't need too much. About 3/4 of a teaspoon is fine. And finally 1 tablespoon of cilantro. If you like, you can add corn or some other fresh vegetables. Sometimes I do it with the fresh peas also. It tastes very good. And this is almost done. It's cooked. So you don't have to cook too much just to get the raw taste out of the vegetables. As I said, we are going to cook it again. Okay, so I'm going to now put the pan for the chilla. For that we need a flat pan. So my stove is on about medium heat. So I'm going to test this pan and see if it's ready. For that you can sprinkle a little bit of water and see when the water starts bubbling and going away, it's almost ready. And you can wipe that off, and I'm going to add a little bit of oil and then wipe it again. So now I know my pan is ready. we are going to add a little bit of oil on the sides, and then we are going to put some stuffing. I'm going to add some fresh paneer and some fresh cheese. So I'd like to add some fresh cilantro, and for extra taste we are going to add pinch of chaat masala on top of it. So you can fold it in half, cook it till everything becomes a little pink in color like this. And flip it one more time. Yes, it's good. This way you can do it like a dosa. I'm going to make a envelope over here. And it's ready. You can see it turned pink on both the sides and ready to be served. Okay, so here I have the stuffed chilla, or you can say savory crepe with all the vegetable filling, and I'm serving with hot sauce, hot chili sauce. You can do it with ketchup, yogurt or green chutney, whichever you like. It tastes very good, and please give it a try. Thank you for watching my videos, and please visit my website and social media and try my recipes. Let me know how it goes. Thank you so much.